What is data cleaning and how like how you clean your data in the Excel? Like how you can clean your data in the Excel using Power Query. What is data modeling and what kind of relationship between can be more than two tables?
Okay.
Power BI, what difference between data view, and model view, and report view?
First of all, I will extract the table of category wise. Then I will go on Topen, and there I will in Topen I will write the number 5. I will get 5 categories. Topen. May I come in, sir?
Yes, Kavita, please come in.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Yes, Kavita. So please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Myself, Kavita Tevatia. Currently, I am pursuing data science course from Skillcure Academy, and I have completed my BTech graduation from Abdul Kalam Technical University. I have worked on some projects like sales dashboard and business analysis dashboard, where I use Power BI, DAX functions, pivot chart, and etc. I have developed my skills in data analytics as in data analysis tools such as Power BI, Excel, SQL, etc.
What is Power BI?
Okay. Power BI is a business intelligence tools through which we can create interactive dashboard and can analyze the business insight to make the business more better.
And how the Power BI is different to Excel?
Okay, Power BI provides some extra features than Excel, as we consider text functions. In Excel, we are not working on text function in detail, but in Power BI we work in detail on text functions. Beside this, there are many functions which are more in Power BI as compared to Excel.
Okay. What is data cleaning and how like how you clean your data in the Excel? Like how you can clean your data in the Excel using Power Query?
Data cleaning is the process to remove the duplicates and any null or extra information which is inappropriate for our data. We can clean the data by first of all we have to use ETL process, that is extract, transform, and load. Then in Power Query editor we have to check the validity and error. If there is any error or any duplicate, then we have to remove.
What is merge and append operation in Power BI?
Okay, merge and append merge. Okay, merge is used to combine the data or union two tables data. It combines rows of both the tables. But append is different from merge, as it used to combine the columns.
Okay. What is left outer join?
Left outer join is used to join two columns where it take all the information from first table and matching information from second table.
Okay. What is cross join?
Cross join. Okay, cross join. Basically, it is a join used in SQL. In this, we need to join two table, but do not need any common column. It is somewhere similar to inner join, but in this we do not need any similar column.
Similar.
Matched column means match column.
So cross join we can apply on the same single table or more than one table?
Two tables.
Okay.
Or
What
more
is
than two tables also.
what is data modeling and what kind of relationship between can be more than two tables?
Okay. Data modeling is a process to establish the relationship between two tables.
Yeah.
There are different type of relationship like one-to-one relationship, many-to-one relationship, one-to-many relationship, etc.
So what difference between one to and one to many?
One-to-one relationship. When a single column or a single information is matched to a single information of another table, that is called one-to-one. But when a single information is matched to multiple information of another table, is called one-to-many.
Okay, so suppose you have the two tables like customer and orders, and using the Power BI, you have to analyze and create some reports like is customer wise total number of orders, but this two table is not like connected with each other in the directly model view. So how will we manage this relationship first?
Okay, first of all, we have to right click on table. There is a manage relationship. We have to click on manage relationship, and we have option of create new relationship. We will click there and will create an active relationship between both the
So is
tables.
there any possibility without like creating the relationship, can we extract or define direct in the table view?
No, we need a common column to establish a relationship. If there is no common column, then firstly we have to create a column.
Okay, in Power BI, what difference between data view, and model view, and report view?
Data view, model view, and
Report view.
report view. Okay. In data view, model view and report view. In data view, we check the complete data. That what is the information in data. In model view, we see what is the relationship between the data, what the relationship it is establishing. And in report view, the total function we are applying on our data is calculated in report view.
Okay. And suppose you have to merge two tables, right? And like the employees and departments, and which you have to return the department name from the departments table. Like you have to retrieve the department name from departments to employees using the Power BI.
Then we will use merge operation.
Like what will be your first step?
Okay. First of all, we will open both the table in Power BI. Then we will go in model view and check that both the columns are common. Then we will establish relationship between both the columns.
Okay. What is RLS?
Row level security. In row level security, when we need to apply more than one filter, that is called row level security.
Okay, and you have the some category with revenue information in your table, and you just have to create a report to show top 5 category on the basis of revenue. So how will we like visualize this?
In Power BI.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, I will extract the table of category wise. Then I will go on top and there I will in top end I will write the number 5. I will get 5 categories. Top 5
So
categories.
can you just let me know like using which charts you can show me the comparison of top 5 category?
Comparison.
Yes.
Okay, we can show the comparison by using column chart.
Column chart. Okay. All right. What is the syntax of VLOOKUP?
VLOOKUP. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, Kavita. So suppose, Kavita, you are working, or you selected in a company, e-commerce company, and your CEO says, tells you like, show me the sales dashboard. So what KPI you will highlight in your dashboard in
First of-
e-commerce company?
Okay. First of all, I will in e-commerce company. First of all, I will highlight the total revenue as then total profit, then discount, and then we can say that we can also denote loss also, so that we can work on our business to make it more better.
Okay. What about the written amount? You are working in an e-commerce company, and the major chunks come from the written portion, right?
Yeah.
So what about the written portion? You will not highlight here.
I think I should highlight in business highlights in last.
Okay. Suppose you are working in a healthcare organization. You are working in a, like, you can say, a Max hospital. So what top 5 KPI you will highlight in a Power BI for healthcare company?
Okay. So total revenue,
Mhm.
then total number of patient entering in our hospital, then total profit,
Mhm.
then total number of old employee we can also, matlab old patient we can also highlight.
4. What about 5 KPI? These are the 4 KPI, na?
Yes.
And last,
At last we will highlight discount analysis.
okay, fine. Um, suppose you're presenting a data set in front of client, and your client says like, this is not we are expecting from your side. We are expecting a different dashboard. So please correct the dashboard. Right? You are presenting a wrong dashboard. So how would you manage this kind of condition?
Okay. First of all, I will behave as calm as possible. Then I will check the data on which I have bugged, and I will check that what is the problem and what mistakes I have created in particular thing. Then, if I am right, or if I have created a right dashboard, then I will take a stand for myself. But if I am wrong, then I will ask them for give me some more time so that I can work again and be apologized to them.
Okay. What will be the best scenario to like overcome this problem?
What?
what will be the best scenario to overcome this problem? Suppose you have a client, so what will be the best scenario to overcome this problem?
I should deal with them very softly
Hmm.
and demand for request for some time
Mhm.
so that I can work again in detail without any conflictions or without any error in my data.
Okay, fine. And you join the organization, suppose you are working or you join the organization, Amazon e-commerce company as a data analyst. So what will be your approach in first month as a data analyst in the company?
Okay. First of all, I will check the previous year data. That
Mhm.
what is the last year data and what are the profit, what is the loss of the company. According to this, I will create my own insights so that I can make my business or make my data or my profit more profitable as compared to my last data. For this, I used to create good business insights, used to create interactive dashboard and analyze the data, that what is the problem in the data, why profit is why there is no profit in the data, or why what is the reason of getting so much loss. Then I will work accordingly to the data for my further improvement.
Okay, fine. So why we select you, Kavita, in our company?
Okay, you should as a data analyst.
Yes.
Okay, you should select me in your company as I think I have enough knowledge or and I have hand-on experience in Power BI and Excel so that I can create on your data and can give you more better insights and more better uh, ideas to enhance your business. And I think I am enough knowledgeable in data analytics tools.
What you know about my company?
Okay, as I have understand or I have go through with your data, so I analyze that there is some issues and there is some ideas or there is some ideas which are not working well. So I think I am a person who can passionate that work and who can work more creatively on that data.
Okay, Kavita, done from my side. Good job, Kavita.
Thank you, sir.
बहुत अच्छा था आपका इंटरव्यू. टेक्निकल पार्ट पे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली आपने आंसर दिए, ठीक है. और ये कॉन्फिडेंटली आंसर तभी आते हैं जब वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर होते हैं टेक्निकल पार्ट पे, ठीक है. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पे या लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन पे कहीं आप फंबल कर रहे हो. यू आर नॉट एबल टू मेंशन द राइट केपीआई ऑफ द हेल्थ केयर बिजनेस, राइट. सो आप जब किसी इंटरव्यू में जाओ नेक्स्ट टाइम, सो जो मेजर हमारे सेक्टर्स हैं जहाँ पे डेटा एनालिस्ट और डेटा साइंटिस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा है, तो यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई लाइक आईटी हो गया, एफएमसीजी, बैंकिंग, फाइनेंस, हेल्थ केयर, सप्लाई चेन, ई कॉमर्स, क्विक कॉमर्स. दीज आर दी इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा डेटा एनालिटिक्स, डेटा साइंस की रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो आपको इस सारे सेक्टर्स के बिजनेस फंडामेंटल को अंडरस्टैंड करना है और उनकी केपीआईज के बारे में अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि अगर किस तरह का कोई क्वेश्चन आता है फ्यूचर में तो केपीआईज कैसे मेंशन करनी है और आइडियल केपीआईज क्या है, क्योंकि हर बिजनेस का केपीआई अलग अलग रहेगा. बैंकिंग फाइनेंस का अलग है, आईटी का अलग है, हेल्थ केयर का अलग है, ई कॉमर्स का अलग है, ठीक है. जब मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप कंपनी के बारे में क्या जानते हो, सो आपसे लोग पूछेंगे, सपोज यू आर गोइंग फॉर अ मिंत्रा इंटरव्यू, ठीक है. तो आप मिंत्रा के बारे में क्या जानते हो, किन प्रोडक्ट्स लाइन को उन्होंने एड ऑन किया है, किन प्रोडक्ट्स लाइन को उन्होंने डिसकंटिन्यू किया है, कहाँ पे क्या एक्विजिशन हुआ, ये सब आपको पता होना चाहिए. एक और क्वेश्चन जो मैंने आपसे पूछा था कि आप क्या करोगे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, सपोज यू आर सिलेक्टेड इन अ कंपनी एंड फर्स्ट मंथ आप क्या करोगे. तो आपको डेटा को अपने आप रीड नहीं करना है. यू नीड टू कनेक्ट विथ योर कलीग, सीनियर कलीग, उनके साथ आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि आज की डेट में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की प्रायोरिटी क्या है. मे बी हो सकता है लास्ट टाइम मेरी प्रायोरिटी कुछ और थी, इस साल मैं कुछ सिलेक्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स पे टारगेट करना चाह रहा हूँ. तो इस साल की मेरी करंट ईयर की मेरी प्रायोरिटीज़ क्या हैं, किन प्रोडक्ट्स में मैं फोकस करने वाला हूँ, किन प्रोडक्ट को मैं डिसकंटिन्यू करने वाला हूँ, किस एरियाज़ में मैं फोकस करने वाला हूँ, किस लोकेशन में फोकस करने वाला हूँ. ये सारी चीज़ों को अंडरस्टैंड करते हुए आप उस तरह के डेटा को एनालाइज करना स्टार्ट करोगे. आप रैंडम बात नहीं करोगे, ठीक है. तो आप जब भी नेक्स्ट टाइम जाओगे इंटरव्यू में तो आपको यही बोलना है, आई विल कनेक्ट विथ माई सीनियर and understand what is the project planning or like planning of the organization for next quarter or next year. ठीक है, और या इस साल की हमारी प्लानिंग कैसे रहनी, व्हाट आर द फोकस प्रोडक्ट, व्हाट आर द फोकस एरियाज जहाँ पे हम इस साल प्लान करने वाले हैं बिजनेस को डेवलप करने के लिए। अदरवाइज कविता बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू था आपका, ठीक है।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
कविता, आपने लाइक हर क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दिया है, क्लीन एंड क्लियर सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन भी किया है आपने, बट द वे यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग द थिंग्स लाइक कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा फास्ट है, थोड़ा उस पर फोकस करो, ठीक है। एंड द थिंग इज़ कि आप जैसे कोई भी स्टेप बता रहे हो तो उसको स्टार्ट करो मैं फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करूँ। जैसे मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था आपसे कि आपको टॉप 5 ग्रो करना है, तो डायरेक्ट आप फिल्टर पे चलेगा। फर्स्ट आपको बताना है कि आफ्टर द डेटा कनेक्टिविटी वी नीड टू यूज पर्टिकुलर दिस चार्ट, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस हम ट्रैक करेंगे, देन हम फिल्टर को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। अदरवाइज
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू।
ठीक है, व्हाट इज योर फीडबैक? So what is your feedback? कैसा था आपका इंटरव्यू?
I think first time I'm satisfied with my result. Otherwise, always in every presentation I hesitate and not able to give answer at confidently as today I am giving.
ठीक है,
And I will try that next time. I will give better than
हाँ,
this.
तो ये शो करता है कि आपने काफ़ी एफर्ट डाल रहे हो, काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हो, ठीक है। सो आप इसी तरह से कंटिन्यू मेहनत करते रहो, ठीक है। सो गुड लक फॉर योर नेक्स्ट मॉक इंटरव्यू एंड प्रेजेंटेशन, ठीक है।
Okay,
थैंक
sir.
यू।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.